guys. In my other video that I put today, my TikTok video, it says what kind of snacks I ate for like 10:06 right now. I eat bananas, Doritos, Rice Krispie treats, and some Takis. There's only 4 snacks I used to eat. So for example, a banana that I got for the food pantry today. It's not that easy to open bananas. Fine, open.
Pretty good.
Don't get me wrong, I'm like a food person all these times. It's like if you never try banana, it tastes like. Let me get one more bite again. I think a lot of you guys have tried bananas. But if you ever try to make banana smoothies, oh my gosh. Okay, that's all. But there's still more, but I'm gonna show you what else I ate. Videos, I ate them. And after this, we will watch a little bit called D. She was on live a couple of times.
Good real estate people like I in New York City. They know New York City like it's good. Oh yeah, no, we don't. Yeah, in New York City, like yes, I want house in Manhattan. Really a townhouse. That's what I really want. But then again, it's like I'm reading about it.
And my other video that I did like a minute ago, that I didn't post on YouTube yet, it's gonna be my makeup video. My makeup, I just put on a little bit today. This is a slipper. After that, I'm gonna try some Rice Krispie treats. Don't get me wrong, I love these sometimes, but they're not my favorite snacks that much. Even though it has like, it has cereal, marshmallows, and other stuff, but to me it's not that good that much. I don't like it that much. It's because of it's just not my thing. But I guess not so bad, I just don't like it that much. And my favorite one, you also know, if you don't know, Takis is my favorite snack most of the world. Woo! Right now my mouth is burning now. Great. But that's good sound. I think I need banana now. I'm not gonna eat this, even though it's waste, but I can't eat this, no reason. It's because of my these teeth. Yeah, it's because of my these teeth right here. It's like hurting right now, so I cannot barely eat all stuff. Chips, these kind of chips are not that hard. That's not that hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat rest of it, but this is what snacks. For preview, some of you guys don't know. Talkies, Doritos, and banana, and rice. I'm sorry, but I know some of you guys like recipes because I used to, but it's just the, my teeth. I was supposed to get braces, but since it costs like a lot of money, there's no way we can afford it. So we decided to not, because they said if we don't give you braces, they said you might have to get rid of these 2 teeth. I'm like, how much that's gonna cost? So I can't eat this not much no more. I can only eat like, for example, like this kind of half. I just ate like 1 or 2, 3 bites a little bit, but I can't eat this much because it hurts my teeth. So that's all I usually eat for snacks. I might eat more of these things because we just got them for the food pantry. Anyway, so that's all for today, guys. If you want to see more of these, just comment below and tell me what's my next video should be. But it cannot be appropriate, bad words, and like that. Because, Oh, you want to see my house tour? I was thinking do it tomorrow, but I have to get my room clean. My room's like really bad. Because I might have to decide my room situation. So that's all for today, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. If you don't know me, I might let you all know my QA questions or answer to know about me a little bit. You could text me on TikTok. I don't mind. So yeah, I hope you all have a great day. God bless you, and please subscribe my channel. Subscribe at some point. And thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate some of you guys' comments. I don't mind. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, guys.